nice and lovely. Welcome back with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Anyway, today we want to make you a nice, lovely Sunday evening Valentine drink, which a lot of people are going to be off home spending time with their loved one. And today you can make a simple drink like this one. First of all, I just blend up some strawberry. That's the strawberry which I just blend up. Right here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply put 1 large fingers of ripe banana inside of my smoothie blender. Just like that. If not, you could use 2, but I'm gonna put, this is some strawberry yogurt. I'm gonna put some yogurt inside of it like this. Um, 2 teaspoons of honey. That's looking lovely and nice so far. So, and then second thing, it's gonna pop a 2 teaspoons of ice cream. Just get a little flavor from the ice cream. It's some vanilla ice cream, and that can also give it a nice, lovely flavor. Second thing is just to pop a little bit of milk, not too much, just to free up the blender. So we know that a lot of people are going to be home today because today is Valentine's Day. Lovely. And all I'm going to do is just blend this syrup for about 2 seconds. Nice one. So that is finished now. Basically what you're going to do, this is the glass. I just finished blending it. Which color you think you should put? White or red? Let's see. If you put the white one at the bottom, lovely, and then use the red one on top, nice one. And all you simply need to do is to get a straw or something and simply put in a little bit of color in the bottom of it like this. So as you can see, bringing down in the flavor in the bottom, and as you can see, you got a nice, lovely red on top. Also, so all you need to do is to do that and bring it in the flavor. Then second thing, I got the next glass right here, which you can also do. That's another glass. Is simple. Put a little bit of this one, and also this one on top of it like this. Same thing, use this and give it a nice, lovely stir inside of it. And it brings a nice, lovely flavor. As you can see, this is way how it look, guys. So we try to get in the red inside of it. Lovely and nice drink, and this is a Valentine drink for the loved one. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel. We got a lot more recipe coming out for you, and this is a Valentine drink. Enjoy the recipe and see you next time. Bye bye.